Hello everyone. In my quest for a Bachelor's of Mobile Application Development, I've taken many classes. For now, I present you with Visual Frameworks 1210 Project 1. I chose Special Occasion as my topic because they meet the following text field requirements. It includes a person's name, email address, telephone number, street address, city, zip code, and date of special occasion. They meet the select option field requirement with state and type of special occasion. They meet the radio button requirement with the sex of the person. They meet the range requirement when you specify a dollar amount between $10 and $100 for gifts. The problems I encountered are found to be more difficult than I thought would occur. One problem I encountered was getting my image to show up in Firefox for my button on the index.html page. It showed up in Internet Explorer but not Firefox. I also encountered issues when I tried to add my files to my GitHub. The things I discovered are found to be easier than I thought would be. One of the things that was easier than I thought was the range field and the option field for the states. How does this activity fit in with or builds upon what I've learned in previous activities, courses, projects, life, etc.? I'll be able to incorporate the JavaScript I learned in my previous class along with the HTML I typed for this project. I'm also still getting acquainted with GitHub, learning the ropes and how to push files to my GitHub folder. How do I think the lessons learned will help me in future activities, courses, life, etc.? I have an associate's degree in web development, but I'm now learning HTML5. I had not learned this previously, so I found there were some deprecated tags that I had used in the past that are no longer in use. What do I think of HTML5 so far? HTML5 is a lot easier than JavaScript. It's fun, and I look forward to when I can utilize the CSS to make my page look nicer and the JavaScript to make it actually functional. Why did I choose my theme? I chose my theme because it utilizes every requirement for this project. It wasn't over-ambitious, yet it leaves room for more advanced classes to improve upon. Perhaps I can utilize a calendar with pop-up reminders of special dates in the future. This is a copy of my index.html file, pretty simple. This is the top half of my additem.html file. And this is the bottom half. Here's an example of the output of my index file. And here is an example of my additem file. As you can see, I have the text boxes here, my select option boxes here, my radio buttons, and my range. I look forward to when we work on the page's presentation and make them prettier with CSS, and when we can work on the functionality of the page with JavaScript. In closing, I would like to thank Full Sail University for the use of their logo, GarageBand for the music in the background, and Duarte's 5 Rules presentation template.